Hey! Hello everyone, here is the vlogger goat here. Come on guys, I'm on the ferry now in Denmark from Copenhagen to Jutland. Amazing, it's a catamaran fast ferry. This is so great. Okay, wow. Okay, there's one car over there. Well, there are many cars here on board of this ship, and it's really going fast, you know. I think it's about 30 knots, 35 knots. So, wow, enjoy guys. And this is part of the ferry. It's not possible to go upstairs, so wow. I think this it's driven by water turbines. You know, it's a kind of a jet propulsion, water jets. They can drive very fast. Yeah, wow. You can see over there's a little island. Over there you see a little island, it's called Tunø. And this over there is another island called Samsø. Wow, it's so great. What a beautiful weather today. What a beautiful day. So beautiful. Yeah. Okay. Enjoy the ride, guys. Well, I've been in Copenhagen with my daughter to visit my son, who is on hospital there. He got a new kidney 2 days ago, so he's happy now. So now he's recovering from the surgery. Wow. I can't remember the name of this little island over there. I have seen it before many times. Well, if I have some money, I would buy this island. It's nice. It's not very big. Okay. Well, guys, today I'm not live. So I will just give you different video logs today. So there is something new for you guys, and hopefully you will subscribe for membership here. I have 10 members now. One new member since yesterday. So well guys, what a beautiful day here. There is not much of wind here today, so the sea is very nice. Wow. We had a great day in Copenhagen today at this huge hospital. It's so big. And my son, he was in a good mood. He was recovering very well. So I had quite a little time ago. I've seen him since. It's more than 2 months ago I've seen him since, and it was great to see him again. I also met some more other family. They have been there too at hospital. So wow, what a beautiful day! And we started 8 o'clock in the morning, and now we are on the way home to my town in Jutland in Denmark. So 10 p.m. we will be home again. So yeah. Oh yeah. This is, I love sailing, ferries, very nice. Denmark is a country with big islands, lots of ferries. It's a maritime country. There's always maximum 80 kilometers to the sea. No matter where you are in Denmark, you have never more than 80 kilometers to the sea, and this is beautiful. Lots of beaches. We have hundreds of kilometers of beaches in Denmark. So great. So now I can show you a little bit of this island over there. Okay, there you see parts of this is the island of Samsø, Denmark. Ja. Jaha, jag sa. Oh yeah. Wow, sailing is something beautiful. And Denmark has many islands, a few hundred. So lots of coastlines. I think Denmark has about 2,000 kilometers of coastline. That's a lot. That is amazing. So wow. Well, guys, I hope you have enjoyed the ride, okay, and wish you all a great day. And remember to subscribe for membership. If you like, I will shout out on my community page. So wish you all a great day and a great evening here in Denmark. So bye bye everyone. Okay guys, bye bye.